HTTP explained in 1 minute with emojis. So everything starts with a couple of scientifics. Tim and Raida always share documents. If Tim discovers something, he writes it down using a rich text editor using title, headings, paragraphs, lists, and other elements. It takes a while, but after some time, he's really happy. But Raida, it's now long gone, probably eating pizza at home. Tim doesn't want to wait, so he decides to connect to the ARPANET and receives a unique number like this one, the IP address. When other people connect at the same time, they get assigned different IP addresses, and they can now share information in a very primitive, slow, and frustrating way. It is very sad. Raida is now asleep, but Tim starts thinking, how can we make this simpler? There has to be some rules to transfer text really fast. Raida is now excited. Rule number 1, there can only be plain text. No room for the format, not even the jumps at the end of the lines. Rule number 2, the team's computer only serves, never asks. Third rule, any client that is asking for any text has to append the document name to the IP address. That's it. HTTP is when clients ask for plain text documents to servers really fast.